Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video guys, if you want to remove these news widgets on your Windows 11, so this video is for you guys. I will show how to fix this issue and remove these kind of news chat box or any other things from your Windows. So let's start. You just need to right click over there on the taskbar and we need to open the taskbar setting. Just click on taskbar setting option. Okay, and once you open that guys, you need to have this kind of windows. You need to click on this option which says taskbar items. You need to expand that from the above like this. Now you should able to see the Copilot taskbar view widgets from your Windows. So if you want to remove the widgets, these are the widgets. Okay, so let's remove them. Gone. Okay, if you want to remove the Copilot, it's removed. If you want to remove the task view, so you can remove this also. See, this is the task view. Okay, and if you want to remove the chat, you can remove the chat as well. So this is a setting guys to remove the all kind of stuff from your Windows 11 like news or other things. If you want to revert it back, just turn them on which you want. Okay, so I hope guys this video is useful and informational for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share, and also join the membership. So thank you, thanks for watching.